Gentlemen, my name is Marc, international dating coach and relationship expert. In this video, we're going to talk to you about how to have a deeper voice, how to make your voice sexy, and how to actually get incredible results just through improving the communication of your voice. So let's sit back and jump straight in. All right, guys, so what I've been doing for the last 8 years is traveling around the world, teaching guys how to meet beautiful women and how to just kill it in your dating life, your social life, and just become that naturally charismatic man. So what I do is I teach guys VIP lifestyle development. I teach high-level guys who are already killing their careers, their businesses, their income, and I teach them how to kill it in their dating lives, build the best soul circles they could want to create, and just dominate their social life and dating life overall. And what I notice is a lot of the guys who really do well in their careers, oftentimes they don't have the best communication skills. Maybe in their work, they're super alpha, they're super confident, but at home, in their soul circles, in their dating life, they're kind of little betas. They're kind of little awkward fucking dudes. Now, look at me. I'm a 5'4", 115-pound Indian, okay? I put on a few pounds, yay, right? I'm 115 pounds now. And, typically, I wouldn't have the most charismatic, aesthetic. So what I had to do is I had to learn incredibly high-level communication skills, such as voice, body language, facial expressions. Now, in this video, I'm gonna talk to you about a few things I've done to make myself have a deeper voice. Now, I don't have necessarily the deepest voice, but if you saw where I was a few years ago, right, and then you see where I'm at now in regards to my communication, my voice, completely night and day, completely different. And it allowed me to hook up with literally hundreds of women, build six-figure and seven-figure businesses, and just crush it overall in all areas of my life. So follow the advice in this video and watch this video to the end, and you'll understand exactly what you need to do in order to create an incredibly powerful voice, okay? And we'll teach you exactly what you need to do, how it works, why it works, and how to actually get those results. So the first thing you need to realize is there's three kind of breakdowns of what your voice really is. It's how loud you speak, okay? The way your tonality skews, and also the speed of which you speak. Now, if I'm speaking to you and I was talking, hey, what's up? My name is Justin, very, very quickly, what are you communicating when you're talking to a woman or talking to someone, right? You're essentially be telling them, this person isn't entirely sure of what they're saying, right? And so when you actually slow down your speech, or if you pause, right, there's a lot of power behind the silence. There's a lot of authority behind what is being sub-communicated when you slow down your speech. So you don't need to rush what you are saying, okay? But on top of that, you need to actually make sure you're speaking loud enough, but also not too loud. So for example, if I'm in a loud social venue, I'll obviously talk not at the person, but through the person if I'm trying to communicate with someone, right? If I'm on a date and it's in a more intimate setting, I'm sitting on the couch, I'm whispering in a girl's ear, I might talk slower, more calm, more relaxed. We call that relaxed arousal. You can essentially arouse a woman through your calm, grounded masculinity and voice, okay? It's super, super powerful. So the speed of which you speak, how loud you speak, but it's also the way your tonality skews, right? It's like, are you walking up to girls and saying, hey, it's nice to meet you? Or are you saying, hey, what's up? Justin, nice to meet you. Hey, what's up? Justin Marc, nice to meet you. Hey, what's up? Justin Marc, nice to meet you. Or are you saying, hey, nice to meet you? If your tonality skews upwards, you either sound like you're homosexual, or you sound like a sleazy car salesman, right? Or you just sound like someone you can't really trust because what you're saying, you don't really sound sure of yourself. And if you're not sure of yourself, why should the person you're talking to be sure of you? Of course, right? And so you got to think about it logically. You got to make sure that you're talking from a place of authority. Your tonality skews downwards. We call it down talk. Your down talk needs to be authoritative and effective, okay? So you need to speak loud enough, because oftentimes you'll be talking to a girl and she might not even hear you, and you think, oh, she's ignoring me. Well, no, she didn't reject you. She didn't just walk by you. She didn't even hear what you're fucking saying, right? And now it's funny because if you also talk with a lack of authority and you talk up talk, right? Hey, how's it going? Oftentimes, a lot of people, they'll automatically filter you out and they won't even realize you're talking to them. So you got to talk with your tonality skewing downwards, okay? And then you also need to talk, at an appropriate speed. You can talk quickly if you're trying to, communicate a lot of information in a short amount of time, right? Or if you have ADHD like me, right? But there's a lot of power in slowing down your words. So one really important thing to have a deeper voice is you want to talk from your diaphragm. And this means body language is really important. You want to sit up straight, be up and centered, and have really good posture. And you always want to talk from your diaphragm. You don't want to talk from your throat. Check this out. If I talk from my throat, I'll be like, hi, my name is Justin. If I stop talking from my diaphragm and I talk from my throat, hi, my name is Justin. Right? It's a little bit exaggerated, but that's essentially what I would sound if I walked up to girls and said, hi, my name is Justin, right? That's how essentially what I would sound like, right? But because I talk from my gut, my diaphragm, my core, my fucking, abdomen, when I speak, it comes off extremely authoritative when I'm speaking to people. Now imagine you just had upright body language, super confident, you're super, fucking on point, and you're, speaking out directly, confidently. Well, you're gonna constantly just sound extremely authoritative, and you're gonna talk coming from a place of authority all the time. And so what you ideally wanna do is you wanna ideally consistently talk from your diaphragm. And you could practice this right now by taking a deep breath. Try it with me right now. Take a deep breath, breathe into your diaphragm, and say hi, hey. And you should notice that there's like a little bit of air pushing out the words you're saying. You talk from your gut, your core, and you say, hey, right? There's gonna be a little bit of a behind everything you're saying, a little bit of a push behind everything what you're saying. And so it's a really powerful thing you could do. Another really effective way to deepen your voice is try speaking in the mirror. Try talking on camera. When I say in the mirror, I don't literally mean in the mirror. I mean like on camera. Talk to yourself, see what you sound like, and you can adjust accordingly. You can fix your voice to be what you want it to be. And through practicing public speaking and practicing these types of communication skills, you can deepen your voice over time. That's why I actually got into social media content. I wanted to just practice speaking skills. And eventually I realized, hey, maybe I can put this out online. And I didn't think anyone would watch my content, but I built a massive audience and business in doing so. You want to project your voice. When you're having a conversation, when you're talking to someone, you don't want to talk at them. You want to talk through them. You want to throw your voice through the person you're talking to, okay? Almost like you're trying to shoot them with your voice. You want to talk through them, and it's gonna be more effective. You want to effectively control your breathing. When you breathe better, you'll be able to speak better. So practice regular breathing, practice effective breathing, and use that in your communication. So instead of trying to, quickly get points across, slow down, take a deep breath, and actually think about what you're saying and let it out slowly. And now here's a huge thing that a lot of people don't talk about. Well, fitness and testosterone levels affect the way you speak as well. So obviously body language does. If your body language is upright, confident, and proper, and go-getter body language, you're automatically sound more powerful in your speech and in the way you speak. And it's obviously gonna affect you mentally. When you think mentally and you feel more mentally positive, your speaking skills are gonna be a lot better. Your voice can be a lot more powerful and effective, right? But even things like your fitness naturally affect your body language, but things like your testosterone actually naturally affect your voice as well. So if you wanna have a deeper voice, having a higher testosterone level could actually affect that really deeply. And you can naturally raise your testosterone levels through fitness and through supplements. So guys, those are just some basic ways how you can deepen your voice. I actually teach these on live coaching programs. If you want to come do a boot camp with me, an immersion with me, we actually operate them out of here in Toronto, Canada. Here I'm in a beautiful penthouse, and you always fly in to be part of these programs. They're awesome. And we actually teach you how to do this and practice this and actually communicate with people in person, bars, clubs, social venues, talking to guys, talking to girls, meeting cool people, and having amazing, adventurous experiences where you're gonna meet so many fucking people. So we'll actually teach you this in-field in person. My name is Justin Marc, international dating coach, relationship expert, lifestyle development coach. And if you ever have any questions, go ahead and follow me on YouTube here at Justin Marc. Subscribe, click the bell notification so you're notified of new videos. Make sure to follow me on Instagram, DrunkJustin2. Make sure to follow me on all my social media platforms, linked in the description. Join me in Inner Circle Telegram group, and make sure to add me on Snapchat as well. Watch my daily stories. I love chatting with you guys. I love teaching you guys these skills. And my name is Justin Marc, international dating coach, relationship expert, lifestyle development coach. I'll talk to you very soon. Peace out. See you in a new video. See you soon.